NBC4 News at 5 starts now.
A community in crisis with a major health concern from that natural gas leak going on in Porter Ranch. Public health officials saying that there is no evidence yet of any kind of long-term risk. Even so, they are now taking more active role in monitoring the situation. A situation that has been going on for some 3 months. NBC4's Patrick Healy is at a hospital in Northridge where patients say the leak is impacting their health. Patrick.
Indeed, Chuck and Colleen, every week this community hospital gets another group of patients with symptoms that they link to the gas leak, symptoms that often go away when they move farther away to the point where they can no longer smell that odor. Now today, in saying that it has not seen evidence supporting long-term health effects, County Public Health also said it wants to do more testing to rule that out.
They come in and they'll say, I have eye irritation or a sore throat or difficulty breathing.
Nursing Director Liz Clark tells us every week Dignity Health Northridge Hospital sees 2 to 5 patients whose symptoms appear related to the leak from the SoCal gas storage facility. Emergency Medical Director Stephen Liu says most, in effect, treat themselves by leaving the area. Oxygen can help, but beyond that,
it's hard to know specifically because there just aren't a lot of studies that look at these types of things. You know, benzene and toluene and some of these additives are carcinogenic.
Even as demonstrators in Diamond Bar hope the Air Quality Board would hear their demand to shut down the gas storage facility, in downtown, LA County public health officials today called for gathering more air samples over longer periods to measure levels of benzene and other carcinogenic contaminants.
Public health has recommended what we're calling an expanded air monitoring program.
Officials say peak levels in the community did not exceed the state limit, though at times on site they did, and workers had to wear protective gear. Now the concern is about possible long-term effects of longer-term exposure at lower levels.
1 part per billion for months or years, then you are also becoming at risk for developing long-term or chronic health effects.
Public Health says the data from the 10-minute air sampling indicates average benzene levels half the limit, about what you find anywhere in LA County.
We can't really say what the average level in the community is because that's going to be the subject of this longer-term monitoring program.
And the main difference with the longer-term monitoring program is simply taking the air samples over a 12 to 24-hour period instead of over a shorter 10-minute period. Now, we just got off the phone a short while ago with Dr. Peter Richmond, who is the president of the LA County Medical Association, and he is raising concerns that physicians are not getting updates from public health nor from the gas company. They want to receive more timely information so they know what's being measured in the air and at what levels. Live in Northridge, Patrick Healy, NBC4 News.